This is very beautiful today. The 3rd of November 2022, we have Luotsikatu Luotsikatu 60 staircase. But this is the only staircase with an elevator here in this residential building. But look at that cab. It is very beautiful. On the page, look at that. It's so special. Very different with those.
Yeah.
Legs, it has green light on the column.
Yeah.
6 floors. Well, I think there's also one of the more beautiful cabs in Helsinki, isn't it?
Yeah.
A beautiful lamp there. One of those more special ones. And there's a lot of drawings in the staircase itself. I want to show you a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a mark on the horizontal part, but it's the drawings. And we can take the rights here. It was pronounced in 1997. Original British 5-1. But who could it be? Who has done it? Who has made this elevator before?
Yeah.
I wonder. So we expect it next year, 2023. This could have been something more special, like Siemens maybe. Or who knows? Maybe we have to check it.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 plus, so 300 kilograms. Yes, it's alright. Yes, here in Katajanokka, then here in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Luotsikatu and Finland. One of the most expensive districts in Helsingfors.
Yeah.
Residential, of the residential ones.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
But we need to turn the lights here.
No.
And also the door is very special.
Yeah. Maybe it has always been Kone, but...
H51.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were actually 25 years old this year in 2022. But the 6th floor was added in 1997.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 51st one. But the cab looks very different.
Yeah.
So it looks like an old Otis elevator.
Yeah.
It's the BBC, but it's hard to say. But it can also be the 51st Kone elevator, which is special design.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
these locks can be original, but
Yes.
yeah.
From the 60s. And they was upgraded with MP6 maybe.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's